So guys, it actually got pretty good stability, very impressive. So as you guys can see here, very impressive, smooth stability. So I am impressed with that. That's pretty awesome. Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. For today's video, we're checking out the S60 drone. So let's go ahead, show you guys what you get, and let's fly it. It says for ages 14 and older. So let's go. So this is how everything comes packaged. A nice white with blue trim. Very nice. Put your battery right in there. You have your on-off button on the top. The blades are protected, so that's good. Looks like they give you 2 batteries. That's good. You can charge your battery right there. I'm sure they got the charging cable inside here. This is your remote control. On-off switch there. Different features there. Different speed settings there. Let's go ahead. They give you your manual and charging cables and accessories in here, as well as a screwdriver. So the remote takes 3 AAA batteries. Let's go ahead and test this out. Very easy to fly. And as you guys can see, it goes very far.